Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. We will have a look at while loop in this tutorial. We need to create a variable, let number equal 0. And let's create our while loop. While number less than 10 and curly braces and our statement. Console log and our message current number and our variable. We need to use plus to connect our variable that string value number. Then semicolon. And now we need to increase number each time. Number plus plus then semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's starting from 0 till 9. 10 is not included because we are saying less than 10. But if we put equal, we'll see 10 as well. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see 10 as well. Let me explain it quickly. At the beginning, our number value is 0. We are starting increase our number from 0. And we are increasing our number by 1 for each loop. Then our console is showing the new number accordingly. Let's have a look at while do loop. Let me comment them out. I need to use do, then curly brace, console log, current number plus number and semicolon. And we need to increase our number here. Then we should type our while loop now. While number less than 6 and semicolon. And we can add another message if you want. Let's say console log loop stopped and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it counts from 0 to 5, then given the hour message loop stopped. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.